Yes, it's 100% dog friendly. Nice and cool.
Hi guys, welcome in. Howdy.
Did you need these?
Yeah, as long as I see them, you guys are okay.
Okay. Put this in here.
If you guys have any questions, let me know. We do have our tours going on throughout the day. We just finished our sea turtle tour, so the next one is going to be game fish and sharks. But the wristbands are good for 2 days, so you guys can always come back in all day today and answer.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, not a problem.
Good. You could touch them. Two-finger touch. Only underwater. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead and do that.
Yeah, you do. You go. You go first.
I'm not gonna touch that. What is that? Like a little octopus? Squid? That's not the tentacles. The body's
I
right
know,
there.
but that's a body though. That's a horseshoe thing.
Oh, is that what that is?
The tentacle thing, that's the like a something.
There's a crab. Oh, what is that? That looks like a
Sea slug.
huge little sea slug. Can you get through that way? We gotta come back.
See these fish?
Oh, look. A shark. Beautiful.
Yoshi. Yoshi, look up here. Come here. See?
Sit down.
See?
Sit.
That's about my fingers.
No. That's okay. I don't know what you were touching back there. There's scorpion fish.
See the scorpion fish? You see the fish?
You see fish, but they're not scorpion fish. I don't think it matters. The most flow of everything is start on the right to go around. But we could go out there after here. Sit down. Yellowfish, Marama. Hi, you guys are just posing. You guys hanging out?
See that? See, he's better if you know the trap.
Yeah, the lobsters in
Put
it.
it out of the way.
Lobsters hanging out in the lobster trap. This
how they
one's
get
trying to
trapped.
escape. It's like, I gotta get out of here. Look, it's right there.
Like a face hugger. It's a squirrel. Look, it's squirrel. Squirrel.
Like an alien.
Squirrel. Right there. Right there.
Don't touch the window.
Squirrel.
He doesn't see a squirrel. He's just nervous and on. Sit. Sit.
See here? This one is Key West Street. It's funny. Oh
little coral reef. I think they're trying to regrow coral.
Oh.
Coral restoration method. So you attach it to PVC and it increases the different fragments that can be grown in one spot. That's pretty cool.
But this place is weird. It's like a TV screen.
This is just about seagrass and erosion.
Seagrass erosion in the backyard.
Yes. That's a grouper, ain't it?
You know how? I don't know. It says clean angel fish.
Oh yeah, look at that. She's pretty.
Look at that. See the clean angelfish? Yes, you see people. This first.
Look at that. Look at that huge eel back here. Ooh, that's scary looking. Ooh, I think that's a grouper. Look at him. Wow, I didn't realize how big that eel was. Let me make this live.
Waiting to eat
That grouper's literally just hanging out on the back of the eel. 3 more eel. Maybe that's not a grouper. Maybe that's a snapper. I really don't know my fish, so if I'm wise, unless it's a catfish. That is huge. Ecological importance, sharks. Oh, that's an interesting looking fish. Oh, looks like she has eyelashes and lipstick. Doesn't she?
Yeah.
What
She'll
is
follow
it?
your hand too.
Oh yeah, she's like, oh, give me some food. But yeah, every time you see this person. That's a barracuda. Oh, I never seen them. That's pretty neat. It's called a flounder, right? The ones that kind of lay flat and bury itself.
I know a flounder does. So.
That's cool. Oh wow. That's an eel. Clownfish. Something with tentacles.
Something with
Something like that. And the little clownfish.
There's a shrimp. One in a hole right there and one in a hole right there.
He's like hiding and looking at me.
Oh, there's one out of the hole. There's sea lion.
Seahorse.
There's seahorse.
Yeah.
And down there
I believe these are lionfish. Big starfish in the back. See the starfish? A lot of them. Corals. Well fallen action. Oh, it's just the. That's like an alien. So that's like a whale carcass. Those the rays. Yeah.
no cameras.
Alrighty, good morning everybody and welcome into the Key West Aquarium. My name is Jenna and I'll be starting our Atlantic Shores Game Fish and Shark Tour. So if you guys are interested, you can head on over to the Atlantic Shores exhibit just to the right of the entrance through that tunnel. But if not, feel free to listen along and move out as we check out some of our really cool stuff. Now I will be also talking about the special guests that pop up throughout here. They do like to come out quite often. Starting with this bird to my left, right here. This is Mr. Mooch. He is a green heron and he is our unofficial resident. He figured out a while ago that we like to feed our
big
fish.
giant
We like to
sea
take a piece
turtle.
of the action. If I don't give him a piece of the action, he will take it out of my bucket. So I'm going to go
That's
in a little
Rocky.
piglet just for him to snack on. That is Mr. Mooch. Anyway, so I'll tell you all about the animals that we have in here, but I'm also going to talk about the habitat itself first. So what you're looking at actually used to be our parking lot, but a while ago we figured, we need some more parking in the key. Wind, waves, storms. It would have made this island disappear. We would not be able to stand here today. So we are super thankful for them. It's not just important for us to have these mangroves, it's important for these fish as well. They make really good juvenile habitats for baby fish and juvenile fish. It protects them from bigger predators, and it also provides a good food source because things like algae and crabs will sit on those roots and allow those fish to eat them. So they do make really good juvenile habitats. Now they do eventually have to leave because there's actually not a lot of oxygen around those roots. They're not able to support a really big fish like the ones you see in here for a long time. So after they reach that adulthood stage,
they're talking about the
they do
mangrove.
have to leave. But there is one in here that can tolerate those really low levels of oxygen a lot longer than most fish. And that is our tarpon. There's one about right there. It is the one with the really long black body and the upturned mouth and those super silver scales. They are our tarpon, like I said, and they're nicknamed Silver Kings because they have so many silver scales. It gives them that kind of shimmering look in the sun when they're closer to the surface. Now they are able to tolerate those low levels of oxygen and they're catch and release only. But you can actually go ahead and pull them up onto your boat if you're going for the world record. And that world record was set right here in the Keys back in 1975 by a man named Gus Bell. He got a 243-pound tarpon, and that was just on a
So the nurse shark is
so it's pretty impressive.
nurse shark hanging out with groupers, tarpons,
That's about
some
twice
other
the size
fish.
of the tarpon in here to give you a little bit of a reference. These scarfmen have also been here since 1963, so they're pretty massive themselves. They're super impressive that they were able
1963.
to catch such a big
Oh my God.
other than that, we've got two
That's
species
crazy.
in this tank. They are the tuna-like fish. One right about there. It's our species of jacks. We have two jack crevalles, or a jack crevalle.
Yeah, the nurse
and we
shark's
have
just
a
hanging on the
four-side
bottom.
jack. The jack crevalles are a little bit bigger in this tank.
This is supposed to be the outdoor shark park, but
Dennis is the one that's a
I
little
see a
bit
lot of
bigger,
fish.
doing those really weird
I don't
movements.
see sharks.
And Denise is a little bit smaller.
One's in there.
Now they're named black groupers because there's
There's just a
Dennis
nurse
right
one.
underneath me, right
This says
here.
there's sandbar shark.
Anyway, so they are named black groupers because they can be a solid black color, but as you can see with Dennis, he's not really solid black right now. They're actually masters of camouflage. They can go from that solid black color to a black and white checkerboard pattern that they're usually sporting in here to a solid white color with a black border in just a matter of seconds. They really are masters of doing that. And there is Denise hanging out in the center in that black and white checkerboard pattern. So that's a good example of that coloration. Now they can do that change.
This rubber duck
Yeah, they do that change.
feels so
for
weird. Like every time you
but
take
they
a
can
step,
also
you
do
feel
it
like
for
it's gonna just
communication
your
as
foot's
well.
gonna go
So
through.
have you guys ever seen one of our black groupers hanging out down on the bottom in a super light white color with their mouth wide open? They're actually telling the cleaner rats that we have in this tank that it is okay to enter their mouth without getting eaten and take some of that algae off of their teeth to get a little bit of a spa day, you know? It's a cool symbiotic relationship we have between these two fish.